So I just came across this new framework called vllm-omni, and it's all about omni-modality model serving, like text, image, video, and audio.
Wait, omni-modality. That sounds really ambitious. How does it manage to handle all those different types of data?
Right? It actually extends from the original vllm, which focused on large language models. Now it can process everything in one go.
That's intriguing, but doesn't that also introduce complexity? I mean, how does it ensure efficiency across all those modalities?
Great question. It uses efficient KV cache management, which really boosts performance. Plus, there's pipeline stage execution for high throughput.
Pipelined execution sounds smart, but I wonder how does that impact latency? I mean, if it's juggling so much at once.
Surprisingly, it actually manages to keep latency low. The dynamic resource allocation helps it disaggregate workloads effectively.
Okay, that's a relief, but I'm curious, how user-friendly is it? I mean, can anyone just pick it up and start using it?
Absolutely, they've designed it to be flexible. There's a heterogeneous pipeline abstraction for managing workflows easily.
That's awesome, but does it integrate with existing models or frameworks? Like, can I use my favorite Hugging Face models?
Yes, it seamlessly integrates with popular Hugging Face models, so if you're already in that ecosystem, it's a breeze.
Wow, that's convenient, but how does it handle non-autoregressive architectures? I mean, I know those can be tricky.
Good point, it extends autoregressive support to newer models like diffusion transformers, which is quite innovative.
Weight diffusion transformers, that's a big deal, but how does that affect the output quality?
From what I gather, it enhances quality by allowing for multimodal outputs, basically improving the richness of the generated content.
That makes sense, but there's always the question of consistency. Is the output reliable across all modalities?
That's the challenge, right? However, the community is actively working on it, so the outputs are continuously being refined.
I appreciate that. Community feedback can be so valuable. Are there channels for users to engage and contribute?
Yes, they have a user forum and a Slack channel, which is great for sharing experiences and troubleshooting.
Community-driven improvements can really accelerate development. But what about privacy concerns, especially with multimodal data?
Exactly, that's a critical concern. They mention an Apache license, which might imply transparency, but there's still a lot to consider.
I wonder how they handle data security given the different types of inputs. It feels like a potential risk area.
Definitely a valid concern. They'll need robust safeguards, especially if users are leveraging sensitive data.
And what about the cost? I mean, is it really accessible for everyone as they claim?
Good point, they emphasize that it's easy, fast, and cheap, but we should look at the actual implementation costs.
Right? It's one thing to say it's cheap, but real-world usage can differ. We should watch for user reviews.
Exactly, and it'll be interesting to see how this evolves. The potential in combining modalities is just fascinating.
For sure, I mean, think about how it could change content creation or even education. The possibilities are huge.
And yet, there's a lot of pressure to deliver consistent results. What happens if they can't meet expectations?
That could lead to skepticism in the community. Trust is key when it comes to new technology, especially in AI.
Totally, so while this is exciting, we need to keep an eye on how they address these challenges.
Definitely, it's a balancing act between innovation and reliability. I'm curious to see how they manage it.
Same here, it's like an open book waiting to be read. What's your take? Is this the future of AI models?
I think it could be a significant step forward, but only if they navigate the challenges thoughtfully.
Agreed, and it's all about community engagement. The more voices, the better the refinement of the technology.
Absolutely. So, shall we keep an eye on this and see how it develops? I feel like it's worth watching.
Definitely, let's track it. There's so much potential here, but also so much that needs careful handling.
For sure, I love that we're diving into these discussions. It keeps our perspectives fresh and engaged.
Exactly, and who knows what discoveries await us as this technology evolves? It's exciting.
Totally, it's like we're part of this journey. Makes me wonder what the next big innovation will be.
Right? The tech landscape is evolving so fast, and we're right here unraveling it together.
Can't wait to see where it takes us next. So, let's keep exploring these advancements.